Okay, this last card in the series of this Enjoy the Rhythm card class, depending on the order you watch it, but it's the last one I'm filming, is super easy, but I just think it's kind of fun. It looks like a record. And so I did that same embossing on the back, and then I just took 3 black circles, and so the outlines kind of look like the lines of an LP. I think that's what it's called, the LP record. And then you know how they get different awards, the gold record, the silver record, and so that's kind of where I came up with it. So you have your 3 circles. I gave you 2 golds just in case you needed 2, and I also want to show you that you can stamp right on top of that shimmer gold paper. So I'm going to ink it good, and then I'm going to, paper's a little slippery, so go straight down and straight up, and then I'm going to let that sit for a second to dry, because it has that, it's a little like glossiness to it, so it just takes a little longer to dry. So I have my square card that has that texture on it, and so you just, I mean, you really couldn't get any easier. I'm going to glue down the first one, put that right in the center. I think I glued, yeah, I glued all of them down except for the gold. You could put dimensionals on all of them too if you wanted, but that would give it a kind of a lot of height. So just glue that down. And these circles were from the Stylish Shapes dies, and I have that linked for you, but you can use any circles as long as they, you know, graduated in size. But I do like the stitch, oops, the stitch part of it. It just gives it a little bit more texture. All right, and so I'm going to, I'm still giving that time to dry. So actually I'm gonna just put 2 dimensionals right on there. And then, because I don't know how long it takes to dry, I'm gonna pick it up with my tweezers and center it on like that. And very carefully make sure I don't have ink up. Oh yeah, I think it's dry. It's dry now, like that. So you rock my world. Again, you could stamp, just stamp something in there. I'll just do the little music notes, and then I can write a little message, because that, it can really be for so many reasons. Like that. And then I'll just write thank you or whatever. All right, so that is the final card that I'm filming anyways, again, depending on the order that you are watching. Let me pull them all here, so you can see them all together. Make sure they're all upright. There we go. So we had the 6 cards that you made, all kind of a nice theme. Would make a really nice gift set if you wanted to give someone all the cards, or you can just send them out as you need them. And now that you have really everything you need, you have the stamp set, you have the ink and the blocks, the colored pencils, you have a lot of to make more. So thank you very much for purchasing the class, for participating and watching all the videos. Put any comments you want on this page, or just send them to me directly if you have questions about anything. And enjoy. Have fun making your cards, and thank you very much. Bye-bye.